Complete the table by finding the product. For division, we have 1/3 divided by 1/2 is equal to 2/3, and for multiplication, 1/3 times 2/1 is equal to what fraction? Let's look at 1/3 divided by 1/2 in terms of words. What this really means is this. It means how many groups of 1/2 are in 1/3. In this first shape, we know that this blue represents 1/3 of this shape. And over here on the green, this green over here represents 1/2 of that rectangle. We can see that 1/2 is bigger than 1/3, so it's not going to fit. So maybe a better way to ask this question is this. How many groups of the green rectangle fit inside the blue rectangle? Or what fraction of the green rectangle fits inside of the blue rectangle? First, we're going to change our rectangles so that they have the same number of squares. That way we can compare the green and blue easier. So now let's go ahead and compare our green rectangle to our blue rectangle. So let's read our sentence again. What fraction of the green rectangle fits inside of the blue rectangle? Well, we have 1, 2, 3 squares that make up that green rectangle. And of those 3 squares, 1 and 2 of those fit inside the blue square. So back to our question, what fraction of the green rectangle fits inside of the blue rectangle? Well, that answer is 2/3. So let's go ahead and go back to our original problem. 1/3 times 2/1 is equal to 2/3. And we've shown that using a model, but we also know we could solve it this way. That 1 times 2 over 3 times 1 is equal to 2/3. So all we need to do is multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, and we get the answer. This is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks showing you one way to solve this problem. I'm sure there's another way to solve it, as long as you understand it and it's right, and you can articulate it well to your friends and neighbors, and they understand it, then you have a great way to solve a problem.